The CUCKOO 6-cup rice cooker offers a unique dual-pressure technology, allowing for precise control over the cooking process, whether you desire sticky or fluffy rice. The LED display panel provides 12 menu options, including GABA brown rice, white rice, scorched rice, porridge, and steam, along with a reheat function for leftovers. The smart technology incorporated into the cooker removes the guesswork from cooking by detecting the type of grain and internal temperature, while also maintaining a keep warm mode to prevent overcooking or burning. The cooker is designed with a stainless steel inner pot, which ensures optimal heat distribution, durability, and easy cleaning. The CUCKOO brand carries a legacy of over 40 years of culinary excellence, internationally recognized for superior quality in rice cookers and kitchenware. The CUCKOO 6-cup rice cooker, priced at $208.14, has received a high review score of 4.5 out of 5 based on 612 reviews.